Hey guys, Scott from Sounds Good Stereo. Wanted to make this video today and talk about a topic that's gone through a lot of changes in our industry over the course of time, and that's speakers. So in this video, we're going to go over how to take the complexities of some of today's speaker installations and simplify that and put it back in the hands of the enthusiasts like yourself. So stick with us. Let's go around this vehicle we have in the bay and show you how all the magic happens. So as we talked about in the intro, speakers and speaker installations have gotten a lot more complicated over the years. As vehicle manufacturers change the speakers that they're using in vehicles just to try to cut costs but still get you guys some sound, things have just gotten a lot more difficult, right? So speakers aren't a situation where you can just unscrew it from the door and screw it back in. So if you've seen any of our previous videos, you'll see some of the complexities of the installations that we go through just to get good sound in these vehicles. But today we're going to show you a kit from ETON. It's in a category of growing stuff from a lot of these manufacturers, and that's plug and play kits that are available today. What the plug and play kits do is they offer you a professional installation, but they put it in the hands of a do-it-yourselfer or an enthusiast today. So ETON does a very good job of covering vehicles. They cover a lot of the BMW and Mini, they cover Volkswagen, some GM models. But again, like in our previous videos, you see some of the complexity of building the speaker adapters and all the things that are necessary to get these speakers outfit to the vehicles. But today I can put it in your hands. So with the ETON kits, we're going to show you how they have a plug and play application for BMW. We actually have a 2014 BMW i8 that we're going to show you the kit in. Comes with everything necessary to upgrade the speakers. So it comes mounted to an adapter plate that uses all the factory hardware. It respects all the factory connectors, so it's a plug and play kit in that regard. Nothing has to get cut or integrated. And it does what we need it to do. It improves our sound, gives us better power handling, and makes for happy clients. So it takes all of that professional installation that you guys are paying top dollar for and kind of puts it back in your hands. So you guys have some ability to make some better decisions in regards to the quality of speakers that you're using. So let's show you what we have here. This is again the door panel of our BMW i8. This did have a factory Harman package in it to begin with. So in this vehicle specifically, and BMW's done this for years, I think all the way back to their E30s and E60 models, which would be like early 3 Series and 5 Series and on up. But what they do is they mount a 4-inch speaker to the actual door itself, and then the tweeter mounts to the door card. So with that, it just makes for a pretty complicated installation. And then to find a 4-inch speaker that actually performs well, that's the other part of the complication. So there's a lot of manufacturers that offer stuff, but what's cool about the ETON products that we're going to go over today is ETON is actually not just a speaker company, but they're also a manufacturer. So they're based out of Europe. They deal with these vehicles specifically. So you kind of see some of the mounting hardware there. So this is the upgraded speaker already, and we're going to go through the process on the other side. But again, it's got housing here at the bottom to respect all the factory connectors and stuff, and this is a great upgrade for BMW and Mini. What we're going to do is we're going to do kind of a basic unboxing for you, if you would. We do have some of them open already, but this is kind of what we were discussing too. So this is the door panel. You'll see where the grill sits for the 4-inch driver, and then the tweeter actually mounts to the door in this vehicle. So but let's go ahead. We're going to get these speakers open. We're going to do a little YouTube super fast time lapse, and we'll show you some of the installation, and then we'll highlight some of the just kind of the highlights of the products. So stay with us. We're going to go over the incredibly difficult tweeter installation, our plug and play kit. Go ahead, pop this guy out of here, get him. tweeter comes out. So factory BMW tweeter, our plug and play tweeter from ETON. Hold on, this gets tough. Okay, and we're done. So super simple installation there. Let's show you guys this here. So we have one of the mid-bass drivers, or mid-range, sorry. Let's get this guy open here. Kind of show you this. It's super easy to do with one hand. Okay, so this is our factory mid-range driver out of the BMW. And this is our ETON driver. So we see we have a same footprint for mounting it and everything. Let's see what we got here. See if we can get in here. And it's going to go right in this location here. All the factory holes line up. And what's cool is the speaker does have a gasket foam around the outside of it, outside of the ring to seal it up there. And if I'm not mistaken, let's see, here, they even send it with some additional butyl for mounting it, so which is really cool. So we're going to go ahead and get this mid-range driver put in, go ahead and do the other side, and we'll catch up with you here shortly. YouTube.
Okay, so as you guys just saw, Scott just installed this upgrade kit in this i8 BMW that we have here in the shop. I just want to go over some cool features and kind of application that the upgrade product offers. This is obviously an upgrade kit for BMW. ETON actually offers quite a few SKUs to fit pretty much any BMW that uses the 4-inch and tweeter application. I think it's like 2001 and up BMWs. I think the first BMW that we saw these type of speakers in were the 2001 7 Series BMW. They have kits that actually fit that vehicle, center channel, fronts, rears, rear deck, whatever. They have center channels, coaxials, and component kits,
and the underseat
and
woofers.
Also underseat woofers, which is really cool. This particular car took the B100W from ETON upgrade, which is actually one of their most popular kits. It fits a lot of their vehicles, 3 Series, some 5 Series, some 7 Series. This kit comes with 2 4-inch mid woofers, 2 Silk Dome 25mm Silk Dome tweeters. It's basically, like you saw in the video, completely plug and play. You literally take the door panel off, unscrew the mid-range driver, screw this into the door. It plugs into the factory plug. Tweeter plugs right into the actual driver. This is actually the factory speaker because we already installed them, so we put the customer's factories back in here. It's exactly the same mounting. Foam on the back, foam seal on the front. They have 2 terminals on the speakers, so you plug the OEM wire right here into the speaker. The tweeter actually plugs right next to it onto the speaker. It's an inline passive crossover for the tweeter that plugs in and goes in between the mid and the tweeter. And the tweeter this is the factory tweeter, but it's literally, it clips right in. Same application in all the vehicles, it'll just clip right in. Also, the kits come with, like this kit came with a bunch of different adapters. Sorry, I don't know exactly which BMWs these are for, but if you pull your, this is actually the ETON adapter that they supply. This is the factory i8 tweeter, and I'm pretty sure that this will mount right in. Yeah, it mounts. See, it mounts right into the housing. The BMW tweeter fits right into the ETON housing, so their tweeter's exactly the same. So it's really cool. Also, with the upgrade product, we have BMW. We also have application for Mercedes-Benz. All the new Mercedes-Benz platform is same thing, 4-inch tweeter, and they have actually woofers in the firewall of the Mercedes-Benz vehicles, and they have replacement woofers for that also. Another upgrade product would be for your Volkswagen platform, Golf 6, Golf 7, which will fit all the Golfs, Jettas, all that type of stuff.
The Tiguan.
Even the Tiguan, they have a kit for. I think it's an 8-inch mid-bass driver and tweeter. And those kits, I believe, are 2 ohm, which are really good. Very efficient. Yeah. And they do sound good because they took, you know, you saw, I don't know if you guys caught in the video, they have a really cool looking speaker cone. Well, that speaker cone comes from actually their home drivers. ETON is their parent company in Germany, manufactures drivers for a lot of home audio companies and car companies and stuff like that. So they took this special ribbed speaker cone from their high-end home driver and used it in the upgrade product for BMW and Mercedes. The reason it has the slits in it is for cone rigidity. It's made out of a waterproof pressed paper cone. And the stuff sounds good, it fits, and it's very easy to install.
Yep. Awesome. So if we can recap, I mean, you guys seen today how, I mean, based on skill level, the installations are very straightforward, you know, so you can kind of cut out some of that high cost. Like I said in our other videos, you get to see all the treatment applications and the custom adapters we make, and this kind of puts the control back in your hands. You know, you get a quality product that bolts right into the factory speaker locations, and tweeter snapped in as easy as what you saw in the video. I mean, again, these are super convenient for any kind of do-it-yourself or just general enthusiast that wants to make an upgrade in these vehicles and kind of wants to do it themselves. So to recap again, just these products are available on our website, soundsgoodstereo.com, and yeah, I think we have most of the applications in stock, if I'm not mistaken, correct?
Yeah, we have everything in stock.
Yeah,
ready to
so
go.
yeah, so anything.
Underseats.
Yeah, underseat woofers, again, just anything you guys need, reach out. And just for fun and for kicks, in the comments down below, if you guys have had a horror story installing your own speakers, put them down there. We'd love to read them. So again, make sure you guys are hitting the subscribe button, notification bell to make sure you're seeing our videos, and catch you on the next one.